Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials: a device, Wi-Fi, and an email or phone number you control. Once ready, open Settings and tap Sign In or go to the Apple ID site. Enter your full name and birth date, then choose a strong password and set security questions. After you submit, Apple sends a verification code to that email or phone. Enter it to confirm. This step establishes your identity and unlocks iCloud, App Store, and device syncing, so make sure contact details are correct. Next, you handle the middle steps that matter: payment, security, and recovery. Go to Payment and Shipping to add a card or select None. Accurate billing prevents purchase errors. Then enable two-factor authentication. This keeps your account safe by requiring a code when signing in on new devices. Set a recovery email or phone and review trusted devices so you can regain access if locked out. Finally, check iCloud settings for contacts, photos, and backups to align syncing with your preferences. To finish, verify your email and phone one more time, then sign in on each Apple device to sync content and services. Make sure iCloud backup is enabled and Find My is on so you can restore or locate devices later. Turn on App Store and iCloud photo settings to complete setup. If something goes wrong, use the Reset Password Flow or Account Recovery. When locked out, you'll need your recovery contact and trusted device. Keep records of your recovery choices for future access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.